Welcome back to my channel. Yes, and today I'm gonna show you how to download and play the games on your Redmi Band 9. Yes, as you can see previously the games were in the watch faces, as you can see, but now they are not in there. So what you have to do, I'm gonna be showing you how to get them there, so what you have to do is to go into the apps. Then again in under apps you choose again apps, and here you see installed and available. So you go to available because we haven't installed any, so we go to available. The games are here. I have many apps to choose from. There are not many, but yes, but the games are in there and some applications, so you just download and they automatically install on your band. Yeah, not much to be done there. Then after installing them, when you open the apps, they will appear on the installed part. Yes, what you install will come under installed. What you haven't installed will be on available. Yes, so let's play the games and we see how they go. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, there are 4 games in total. Yeah, so 4 games to choose from. So tell me what you think about the games, and please like and remember to subscribe. See you in the next one.